Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will start by getting prerequisites out of the way and making the first connection attempt. Install the appropriate driver with pip and verify Python 3. X is the active interpreter. Once done, store your host, port, user, password, and database name in a simple config file or environment variables so you avoid hard-coding secrets. Then open a Python REPL or small script and import the driver. Make an initial connect. Call using those credentials to confirm network and auth are working. Next, you will open the connection properly and run queries. Use a context manager or try /finally to ensure the connection and cursor close automatically. This prevents leaks. Create a cursor object and execute prepared statements with parameter placeholders rather than string concatenation. This both avoids SQL injection and improves readability. Once executed, choose fetchOwn, fetchAll, or iterate in chunks for large results. Make sure to commit for insert/update/delete operations and catch DB-specific exceptions to handle transient errors. Finally, finish by cleaning up and adding resilience. Commit your transactions, close cursors and connections, and wrap DB calls with retries or exponential backoff for intermittent network issues. If something fails, inspect the exception message, verify credentials, ensure the database service and port are reachable, and confirm your driver version matches the DB. As a key troubleshooting tip, enable driver or client logging and reproduce the error. Logs usually show whether it is an auth, network, or SQL syntax problem, and point you to the exact fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.